Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the mono audio on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So the mono audio means that you are going to hear the same on the left ear that on the right ear. So the left headphone and the right headphone is going to play the same. Also, it is going to do the same with the speakers that are stereo. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to your accessibility, swipe down again, and then go to audio and visual. And here you have the option to turn on the mono audio or turn off. Now it's on, now it's off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.